Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a make it or bake it craft. This is what we're going to be making today. The materials you'll need are tweezers, scissors, aluminum foil, a pan that is oven safe, and the Make It and Bake It craft kit. First, you're going to take your pan that you want to make your craft in, and then take some aluminum foil and put it on the pan. And you want to make sure the aluminum foil is really smooth, or else it might not melt properly. So make sure you get it really smooth once you take it off. Next, what you're going to do is take out all the little packets of beads, and you can also look at the instructions in the packet. It has it on the back of all the beads, and read those before you do the craft, which I recommend doing just so you don't make any mistakes. You're also going to take off the little metal thing that you make the craft in, which is where you're going to put all the beads and hang it up. The one I got was a toucan. It's very cute, and then all the instructions are behind the piece of paper that it comes with. Next, what you're going to do is make sure the flat side of your metal piece is on the aluminum foil, not the round side. And then you're going to take some tweezers and put in all the little beads in the correct spots that they have on the front. And I suggest doing the same as the front, because then then you'll have the right amount of beads. You don't want to run out or not have enough and stuff like that. After you finish putting all the little beads in, you're going to put it in the oven for the amount of time it says on the back of the little piece of paper that came with it. After it's out of the oven, let it cool down and then peel it off the aluminum foil. Then what you're going to do is take the little sticky piece that you can attach to the window, and you can either tie ribbon through a loop at the top and then attach it to the sticky piece, or you can just put the loop onto the sticky piece, which is what I'm doing here. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!